Welcome to today's review. We're diving into the all-new 2025 GMC Vintage Pickup Truck, a modern reimagining of classic pickup trucks with a blend of nostalgic styling and contemporary features. Whether you're a fan of rugged durability or a lover of automotive design, this vehicle has a lot to offer. Let's take a closer look at the exterior, interior, performance, and of course, the price, to see if this model is worth your investment. Starting with the exterior, the 2025 GMC Vintage Pickup Truck stands out with its bold and striking design. At first glance, you'll notice the unmistakable vintage-inspired grille that harks back to the trucks of the 60s and 70s. Yet, it's been updated with sleek chrome detailing to add a more modern touch. The front fascia is defined by a set of high-tech LED headlights that offer superior visibility while still maintaining that classic retro look. The body is sculpted with pronounced fenders and a strong muscular presence that gives the truck a sturdy, almost aggressive stance on the road. The truck's bed design, inspired by its heritage, blends seamlessly with the new age feel, offering practical utility while still evoking a sense of nostalgia. From the sharp, angular lines of the truck's bed to its polished steel finish, every detail is meticulously crafted. Available in a variety of vibrant colors, the 2025 GMC Vintage Pickup allows owners to select a paint job that reflects their personality, whether they prefer something bold or classic. Moving inside, the interior is where GMC has really managed to strike the perfect balance between vintage charm and contemporary luxury. As you step inside, you're immediately greeted by leather upholstery and wood accents that echo the elegance of the past. But it's clear that this is a truck designed for today's driver. The dashboard retains that old-school truck feel with retro-style gauges and dials, but they're now paired with a high-resolution digital display that gives you all the modern tech you need. This digital interface seamlessly integrates with a state-of-the-art infotainment system that supports Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, and navigation. You'll also find a top-tier sound system that brings a premium listening experience. Comfort is a key feature in the 2025 GMC Vintage Pickup. The seats are designed to offer both support and luxury, featuring heating and cooling options. The front seats have ample space, and the rear bench offers enough room for passengers, making it practical for families and long road trips. With a variety of materials available, including premium leather and soft-touch fabrics, GMC ensures that this is more than just a workhorse. It's a truck you'll enjoy spending time in. Now, let's talk about performance. Under the hood, the 2025 GMC Vintage Pickup is powered by a range of engine options, allowing you to choose the right level of power and performance for your needs. The base engine is a 3.6-liter V6 that produces a respectable amount of horsepower and torque, making it more than capable of handling most tasks you throw at it. For those looking for more power, there's an available 5.3-liter V8 engine that delivers even more towing and hauling capabilities, making it perfect for those who need to carry heavy loads or tow large trailers. In terms of ride quality, the 2025 GMC Vintage Pickup offers a smooth and comfortable driving experience. The suspension has been upgraded to handle both on-road and off-road driving with ease, ensuring that whether you're cruising through city streets or tackling rough terrain, the ride remains composed. The truck's handling is also impressive for its size, thanks to advanced steering and suspension systems that give it a more agile and controlled feel than you might expect. When it comes to towing, this truck doesn't disappoint. With the right configuration, the 2025 GMC Vintage Pickup can tow up to 1,200 pounds, which is excellent for a truck in this class. Whether you're hauling a boat, camper, or a heavy work trailer, you can trust that this vehicle will get the job done with ease. Now, let's talk about pricing. The 2025 GMC Vintage Pickup truck comes in various trims and configurations, with the base model starting at approximately $40,000. For those who want a bit more luxury, the higher trims will cost upwards of $50,000, with fully loaded models hitting the $60,000 mark. This pricing is in line with competitors in the segment, and while it might be on the higher end, the combination of vintage design and modern tech justifies the investment for many buyers. If you're interested in off-road packages or other specialty upgrades, you may find yourself looking at an even higher price point, but the value and features you're getting are well worth it. In conclusion, the 2025 GMC Vintage Pickup Truck is a fantastic blend of nostalgia and modern-day utility. Its exterior design pays homage to the classics, while its interior and performance features bring it firmly into the present. Whether you're a collector of vintage trucks or someone who simply appreciates a good blend of style, power, and luxury, this pickup has something for everyone. It's an investment worth considering if you're in the market for a truck that stands out and gets the job done.